This video shows how the system can track, analyze, and display the real-time cognitive performance of any remote users via internet. In this demo, we had a user from Boston and we had another user from Gainesville, Florida. Both were connected to this server in Florida. And you just open your web browser, type in a web address, and you can start to see what's happening in real time to these people. For example, in this case, the user from Boston just moved his head, so we start to see the changes to the EEG data in Florida. And the same thing, we also moved the affinity sensor of the Florida user, and we also see the changes in real time. Here's another close look of the dashboard, like the user from Boston. All the changes from him would be synchronized via this Google Cloud server and then send it to this Florida web browser. And it also includes the eye tracking, motion tracking, pupillary analysis, and real-time machine learning. So once we have the data, we can send everything to an artificial intelligence model. It analyzes the real-time cognitive load of the person and adjusts the UI for this user, for any remote user. As you can see in a moment, when we sense the significant change to the cognitive reaction, the UI would be changed right here. Because the system is completely online, in the future it can also become a centralized, cloud-based benchmarking server. First responders will share their data with the system, such as their performance in different tasks or their cognitive reactions in different situations. All the data will be aggregated into this centralized database and shared with artificial intelligence or AI. The AI will run all the calculation, display the results in this centralized dashboard, and more importantly, customize the user interface for each person and send that to the head side. Once we have enough data points, we can run comparison study among all the participants, among all the users, and tell a certain person the ranking of a certain performance. For example, in terms of wayfinding or cognitive resilience, you are ranked 20% out of all your peers, and this is where you should improve. Of course, we understand there are privacy concerns. So before the information or the benchmarking result being sent to each person, the information would be de-identified first in this centralized database.